Welcome back to the next move with Valetax. My name is Innocent Ryan Ifere, Global Market Analyst here at Valetax. On this week's market outlook, we're going to be doing a quick recap of the trade ideas that were shared last week and the trade ideas for this week. So stay tuned. On last week's trade idea, we shared analysis on the US30 and the XAUUSD, and this is how they played out. Our expectation on the XAUUSD was for prices to hold above the 5,200 levels for the XAUUSD in order to stay bullish and continue to target the supply level at the 5,400 level or break even higher at the 5,600 level if the current geopolitical tension allows gold to come back in as a strong safe haven. For the US30, we expected prices to bounce into the demand level of the 47,600, 47,800 level, and prices did in fact bounce into those levels, but is yet to complete the second leg for the bullish move to the upside due to geopolitical tension and people being wary, so selling off stocks. For this week, we're going to be looking at the same pairs, which are the XAUUSD and the US30. For the XAUUSD, we see prices currently stuck in between a higher time frame range of the 5,200 level and the 5,000 levels. The 5,100 level has been a very solid intraday key level for the past couple of weeks. With prices closing below the 5,000 levels, we might start to see the XAUUSD head for lower prices to target areas such as the 4,700, 4,800 or possibly even lower at the 4,600 long term. But if we see prices bounce off that 5,100 level again and solidly close and sit above the 5,200 level, then we might continue to stay bullish on the XAUUSD. But for right now, we're still stuck in that range. For the US30, we're currently sat in the demand areas that we have been anticipating, which is the 47,600 area, and expecting to see a shift in the intention on the lower time frame structure into a bullish run. If prices shift intention into a bullish structure on the lower time frame, then we might start to anticipate continuations from the US30 to continue to trend higher and the bulls back into the market with full force. With that being said, we know that the charts are only a footprint of the market, and one of the key indicators and what moves the market are fundamentals. So here are the following macro indicators and high impact news to pay attention to for the coming week on the XAUUSD and potentially could affect the US30. This week we have the core PPI followed by the Federal Funds Rate on Wednesday for the USD, and that would be the only high impact news for the USD this coming week. So remember to trade carefully and safely during this period. The summary for this week's trade idea is break below the 5,000 level would mean bearish for the XAUUSD, and a break above the 5,200 level would mean bullish for the XAUUSD. And for the US30, we'll wait to see intentions for the bull sides to take over the market after hitting that demand. So we're expecting to see buyers for the US30. Remember, this is not a trade signal, but only a trading idea with no guarantee for success. So always do your own research and apply risk management where necessary. And until next time, I'll see you on the next move. Remember to trade smart, trade carefully, and most importantly, trade with Valetax.